Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix the SQL Server evaluation period expired. So this is my SQL Server 2022. When I click start here, so I am getting this error 17051. To contact, go and view the view log file. See, since I'm not sure whether this is because of evaluation issue, now I need to switch to event viewer log. So if I switch here, click refresh. So you can clearly see that SQL Server evaluation period has been expired. So now open your launch window 2022 setup, click maintenance, click edition upgrade. So I already click perform click action, so you will get this window. Now I want to move to the developer edition. You can select that. If you have any key, you can paste that key and select these two checkboxes and press enter. Right now I'm going to developer edition. That is enough for me. Click next. Yeah, we have successfully upgraded. Okay, so I hope you may like this video. Thank you.